Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of innovative home improvement solutions. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best SnapPower SwitchLight available on the market right now. If you're looking for a seamless way to add automatic lighting around your light switches, especially those in double gang configurations, then keep watching. What we're looking at is the SnapPower SwitchLight for double gang light switches. This particular model is the toggle style in light almond color, and what makes it stand out is how it transforms a standard switch plate into a smart, sensor-driven LED night light. And here's the best part. It does this without any wires, batteries, or tricky mounting brackets. Let's talk installation. One of SnapPower's strongest advantages is how user-friendly their products are. The SwitchLight features a patented prong design, which means it snaps right onto your existing toggle light switch using the included installation tool. You don't need any electrical expertise, and you don't even have to mess with your home's wiring. Simply remove your old wall plate, pop on the switch light, and it's good to go. The internal prongs draw low-voltage power directly from the switch screws, so it stays powered without external power sources. Now let's discuss functionality. This isn't just a night light. The SnapPower SwitchLight is equipped with adjustable lighting modes: bright, dim, and off. And what about design? SnapPower delivers a sleek, low-profile plate that blends in with your wall during the day, maintaining a clean and modern look. At night, it casts a warm glow downward, lighting your path without overwhelming the room. The light almond color adds a soft, elegant tone that works well in a variety of home decor styles, from traditional to contemporary. This model is compatible with both single-pole and three-way switches, so it's flexible enough for most home lighting setups. And it's worth noting, although this version is specifically designed for toggle switches, SnapPower also offers a rocker version if you have different switch types at home. Plus, being made by a small business brand, you're also supporting innovation at a grassroots level. Whether you're upgrading your home lighting for aesthetics, safety, or just a touch of modern convenience, the SnapPower SwitchLight makes a strong case. It's an affordable, practical enhancement that genuinely improves the way your home functions at night. That wraps up today's review from Product Critique. If you're interested in seeing this product in action, or learning how it compares to other smart lighting solutions, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more hands-on product reviews. Thanks for watching.